Hi, you're watching TV9 News. I'm Pratibha. Wayanad in Kerala turned into a star constituency overnight in 2019 when then Congress President Rahul Gandhi announced that he would be contesting from there. From then on, the North Kerala constituency has been in focus, amplified of course by Rahul Gandhi's frequent visits. In fact, more recently, Rahul Gandhi also riled up many when he compared his previous constituency of Amethi to Wayanad.
For the first 15 years, I was a member of parliament in the north. So I had got used to a different type of politics. And for me, coming to Kerala was very refreshing because suddenly I found that people are interested in issues and not just superficially, but going into detail in issues.
But all is not glorious and happy in this constituency. In a setback for the Congress party in Wayanad, 4 of the Congress leaders with key positions have exited the party ahead of the assembly elections. All of these leaders have openly spoken of groupism or a divide within the party. The leaders who have left are the District Congress General Secretary PK Anil Kumar, Kerala Congress Secretary MS Vishwanathan, Mahila Congress leader Sujaya Venugopal and KPCC member KK Vishwanathan. Now, one of these leaders has already joined the left, the CPIM. The other leaders are also said to be wooed by the party as well. But this obviously does not bode too well for the Congress party ahead of the assembly elections. More importantly, it could have an impact nationally as well. The sheen could go off Rahul Gandhi's constituency if the party does not indulge in some damage control. Now, the top leaders of the state have been deployed already for the job. The party stalwart Sudhakaran dismissed any rumours that this was just the beginning of a string of many more defections from the Congress party. While it's true that these are not top leaders of the party, 4 resignations point to a divide or a leadership void. But is it more a deep-rooted problem for the party? Well, the Congress secretary Vishwanathan blamed the Congress leadership when he resigned. He also claimed that his community, the Kurma community, has been neglected by the Congress party and its leadership for decades. Kurmas are a powerful community in the constituency. The scheduled tribe voters constitute 17% of the constituency. This could prove to be costly for the party if it does not handle this situation well. Also, Wayanad is not the only constituency where the Congress party is facing a setback. In Palakkad as well, the former District Congress Committee President Gopinath has threatened to contest against the Youth Congress State President and the current MLA Shafi Parambil. Now, the Kerala Congress hopes to come back to power in Kerala after a gap of 5 years. While it's true that these resignations don't make a big impact for now, it will definitely dampen the spirits of the party workers and divide the voters, even if it is to a small extent. But for the Congress party, more than that would be the worry waiting ahead in the Lok Sabha elections as well. Kerala was the saving grace of the party in 2019. It won 19 out of the 20 seats, and even now, Wayanad remains a star constituency for Rahul Gandhi. So, will the party be able to ensure it remains spotlessly clear of controversy? Would be very interesting to watch. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the latest developments as well. I look forward to that. Please like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.